Hey guys, welcome back. So last time we got the navigation bar set up, and now what we're going to do is work on getting these columns in place. So I think we'll start with this one right here, with the profile picture. So what we're going to do is go back to our index.php page, and we can get rid of this. I was only showing you how to use that. So get rid of everything right there, and we'll make a div, and we'll give it a class of a user underscore details. Okay. Actually, we'll give it a column class 2. These can take two classes. If you separate them by space, that means it has two classes, a column class now and a user details class. So any styling we do from column or for user details will both apply to it. Okay. That'll make sense to you soon if it doesn't already. What we'll do is we'll put some content in here. So give it an anchor tag, and the reference is going to be we'll just do that for now. In here we can say img src source equals img is an image tag, so now the source is going to be the link to the image. And if you remember, in the users table, the profile picture column contains the link, the path to the file. Okay, so we can just echo that out and it will provide us with the link to the file. So back here we can just say if you remember what we did in the header with this user information right here, we can just use that. So put your PHP tags in, okay, like that, and inside the PHP tags we're going to say echo user square bracket single quotes profile underscore pic, I think the column was called, semicolon, and also put a closing tag on the image tag right here. Refresh that, and we should get the image right there. There you go. So the profile picture is showing correctly. That's good. So now we'll make a start on styling this. We're going to use something called a wrapper tag right now, which we actually used in the register.php page here, the wrapper div. I'm going to do the same thing again, but we're going to put the opening div tag inside the header file. So right at the very bottom of the header file, div class equals wrapper. Okay, and we're not going to close that div off in here. We're actually going to close it off in the index page here. So right at the bottom, it's going to be the very last thing that the page has, the closing tag for that div right there. And remember, those two will be together because this is essentially just pasting all that code right there. Okay,